Badger,
Yeah.
my favourite things are eating my family and not using commas.
From the spiral dimension.
Hello and welcome to the Spiral Dimension. I'm Dr. Von Hoot and this is the Magic Badger. Say hello, Magic Badger.
Hi.
Oh, it's that time of the month again! Wrestle Crate time! Wrestle Crate time! Yeah! Right, what have we got in the box?
Some sort of poster.
Poster time. Might be a good one. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Mummy! It's Rhea Ripley. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not just being weird. It's a nickname. Cool. I like Rhea Ripley. She's very entertaining. What's next? I'm not really bothered about the posters. Let's just move on. Ooh.
Tiger driver pen.
Tiger driver pin. That's hilarious. So the question is, do we have the chase? How's it different?
Yeah, was it?
Let me look.
Remember that one? Oh, glitter.
Oh, it's glittery chase edition. No, we don't. We got the regular. There we go. Just in case you wondered. Next! T-shirt time! Subculture. Oh, yeah, that's Mark Andrews and Flash Morgan in TNA. TNA? I haven't been TNA in ages. Impact Wrestling. Yeah. Fun fact, Mark Andrews wrestled at my wedding.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses? Who's got sunglasses? They're pink, so what is it? The Acclaimed? Who is it? Oh, it's Bret Hart, of course. Okay, cool. I won't be wearing these. I don't think they would even fit. Do you want them? I mean, it does say Hitman on the side there. I don't know whether we got a picture of that. So they are sort of, you know, wrestling related, but let's be honest, it's a bit. Alright, they're pink and they've written Hitman on the side, but otherwise, Bret Hart didn't really wear glasses like this, did he? Okay, let's move on. A book. Oh, okay.
An unofficial photo journal by Kimberlass.
Very cool. So it's a fanzine with photography from what looks like WrestleMania, last WrestleMania, I presume. Yeah, it was with Cody there. Cool. I mean, nice photos.
What's this? I think it's just a promotion thing.
Promotional thing, okay. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, did you see it? Ooh! That's nice. I like that one. See, that makes up for the rest of the box, I think. Like, the t-shirt was alright, but the box has been a bit alright.
And.
But that's cool. Well, I did wonder whether there was going to be another one. Yeah! Dax as well. That's cool. FDR in the house. A pair. Truth be told, I did know that we were going to get an FDR autograph at some point, but I assumed it would be one picture of both of them signed. But this is cool. We got a pair. Neat. I like it. Go well together. Wow. Yeah. See, that's where your money goes. There. That's cool. That's cool. I mean, on the new AEW game, you have to pay for both of these two separately from the actual game. So we just got their autographs to both together for what, £27 plus a t-shirt. So, and some other tat that I don't really care about, but a t-shirt nonetheless.
I think it was alright.
You think it was alright?
Yeah.
I think it could have done with a DVD, but having two like top tier, you know, top guys,
And
in
also,
fact,
how often
in
do you
FDR.
watch the DVD?
Never. Very, very, very rarely do I watch the DVDs, but that's not the point. Like, I just think it adds quite a fair bit of value on, you know, to the overall box. But because you've got two top tier autographs there, nothing to sneeze at. Like, it's very good for the money. Very impressed. Thanks for your help, Badger. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please comment down below, like and subscribe, the usual jazz. Tell us about FDR and what you would do with these. And we'll catch you next time in the Spiral Dimension. Peace!
From the Spiral Dimension.